Hello everyone and welcome back to Dynamics Academy. This is yet another video in a feature a day video series. In this video series we will cover the new features that were released with Microsoft Dynamics 365 9.0 version. On your screen you are able to see the various new features that were released in 9.0 version of Dynamics 365. We will see each of these features in detail per video in this series. And at the same time, we will also see the various deprecations that are going to happen with Dynamics 365 9.0 version release. So this series is going to be very much useful and informative. So let us now see the feature that we are going to cover in this video.
In this video, we are going to see yet another deprecation that has been announced with Microsoft Dynamics 365 version 9.0, which is relationship roles. My name is Abhishek Doria and I will be your host in this video. First we will see what was the situation till now, and then we will see what will be the impact after relationship roles will be deprecated, and then I will show you in a live practical demo where exactly you will feel this change, and at the end I will show you the list of useful references as well. So till now relationship roles were designed to enable users to configure relationship type that might exist between the records of these entities in the system, and it can be used for any kind of relationship such as business, family and social. If you want to navigate where exactly the relationship roles are located, you have to click on settings, business management settings, and then you will see a section called relationship roles. And as of now this feature is available, but it will be removed in a future major release. One thing you have to note here is that relationship roles limit the connections between accounts, contacts and opportunities entities only. So any other entities, be it custom or system entities, cannot use these relationship roles. And this feature will be replaced by something called as connection roles, which allows users to establish connections between most of the entity types, which means you can create connection roles between any custom entities or any system entities as well. Let me now show you where exactly this feature was located and where you will feel the change once it is deprecated. This is my trial instance, and if you want to navigate to connections roles, then click on this gear icon and click on advanced settings. The moment you click on the advanced settings, you will land on this business management settings page. Here you will be able to see a section called relationship roles. So this was used to establish connections between accounts, contacts and opportunities only. As you can see, there is already a new feature called connection roles, which you can use to establish the different types of connections between any of the entities. So now this feature will be, relationship roles features will be removed in a future major release. So this section will no longer be available to you once it is deprecated. So having seen this, these are the list of useful references that you can make use of while working on Microsoft Dynamics 365 version 9.0. Having said that, I will wind up this video here. I thank you for watching this video till the end. So if you have learned something new out of this video, then please like, share and subscribe to Dynamics Academy, and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update whenever we release a new video to our Dynamics Academy YouTube channel. And on that note, I end this video and take your leave. Hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.